Hello and welcome to this Advanced Access video. Today we'll be looking at lookup fields. Lookup fields allow you to determine a predefined list of entries that can be entered into a field. This is very useful when entering large amounts of data, so the entries are predefined, so it reduces mistakes that could be made when typing a lot of entries into a database. So to start with, we're going to open up the Swift Cycles database, which can be found and downloaded at the DigiDiscover website. There's a link below this video. So we'll click on the bicycles table and we right click on it and open it in design view. Now for the field name below telephone, we're going to type in seller. And for the data type, we're going to select the drop down menu and choose at the bottom there Lookup Wizard. So the Lookup Wizard dialog box appears. So Access asks you whether you want to type in the values yourself or get the values from another table or query. In this case, we will type the values ourselves. Click Next. Now what we'll do is we're going to enter names. So we'll start by entering names in the first row. Use the Tab key to go on to the next row. So this is just entering information that will be included in the lookup field. When you've entered everything that you're going to include in the lookup field, click on Next. And then we'll choose seller as the label. And you also have the option of limiting your options to the list or not. So if you didn't click this checkbox, then you can enter other terms into the entry. So click on Finish. And now we're going to view it in Datasheet view by clicking on this button here and saving it. So now when we enter information here, we have a drop down menu that has the list of names that we included. I hope you found this video helpful. For more information on advanced access features, you can visit our website at digidiscover.com. The link is provided below this video. Thank you.